Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on offline boards in the Trello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trello app. And here it opens up in the boards section, in the home section. From here we have to go into the top left corner and tap on the three lines. Then we find offline boards. We tap on those. And here we can turn on which board we want to have available offline. So then we can just work on it when we aren't connected to the internet. And yeah, we can just tap this button, and then this board is going to be available offline as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.